What's up, guys? And it's me. And sorry if my last vlog didn't have my what's up or whatever. And well, I need to show you something. See that cat down there? That is our cat. Yeah. There was another cat down there. Oh yeah, I remember that cat. I showed you that one. Oh, you want to see another cat? Okay. If you do say like, no, I don't want to see cats because I'm allergic to them or something like that. Look at this. This is my cat, Janet. She's a good cat. She's a really good cat. Yeah. Comment down below if you like her or not. Or you could do a debate. Is she ugly or she's beautiful? Is she furry or she's not that much furry? Yeah, so yeah. Sorry if I do this twitchy thing with my arm like that. Well, because I never really do vlogs that much. I can do a video where I am Steve, like and go and stuff. Yeah. So yeah, you could see my hand, it's big and fat like you would see, and that I got that today. And this is our house. I'm not telling you the location, but yeah. You could probably search up the location of my house and go to my house and be like, what's up? I follow your videos and stuff. And that would be cool. And I'll probably give you an autograph or something. Yeah. Sorry if I'm not showing my face. It's because, well, the Minecraft thing and the cat thing. So, yeah. So, sorry if I do that. I'm just sorry. I'll just focus. Okay. I think there's someone over there. Oh, there's just two big people. Oh yeah, if you look at some of my videos, I would appreciate it. And oh yeah, the cat again. I need to zoom out. Zoom out. Okay. So you can see all that stuff right there. I don't drink beer because I'm too little. Yeah. But I'm not that little. I'm big enough to punch someone in the face hard enough that their nose might break. I can punch someone hard. And the cat again. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh. Is that my father? Or is it someone else? Pick it up, someone. Someone. So that's the cat. Let me just touch her again. Kitty. I'm sorry if I'm touching her bottom, but yeah, I can only reach the bottom. But yeah, and I can go a little bit higher, but it's just a little bit. And I can touch her belly and stuff. It's just I'm not being this. Okay, and you can see that. Yeah. Oh. Oh crap, I didn't see that coming. If you didn't see by my view, I saw a thing coming at me. If you want to see, I think it might work, but might not. Just hold this with my other hand. Yeah. See how big that is? Let me just try that out and get very closely. Oh, yeah. Oh, I thought it was too hot. It's not that hot. It's just hot enough I don't want to do it. But not hot enough that I'm a wimp. Oh, come on, this is hard. I know I did it like a lot of times, but I know it's hard. I don't know what's happening, but I cannot seem to... Oh, yes. See how big that... Whatever. Well, that's the cat coming here right now. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, come here, kitty. I say kitty like that, yeah. Sorry if you're embarrassed, but yeah, man. Well, bye. Wait, I'll tell you one thing. Subscribe to this channel.